Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Today's topic: should an executor live in the state where you're probating? So I'm a lawyer in New York only, greatest place on earth, and I probate throughout the city of New York, right? Nassau County, Suffolk. Does an executor have to reside in New York? No, they do not. I've represented executors that have been relatives in Europe, in other states. I'm working with someone in Canada right now, Trinidad and Tobago. Now, I went far afield and I told you about other states, other countries, in both places. If you are not a citizen, then you need someone in the state, probably the lawyer involved, to be an executor or a joint executor or an executor CTA to assist. So when I represented the daughter of a person that lived in Queens, and she was residing in, actually, France. She was a citizen, but that's where she was permanently residing and employed. I did assist by putting my name on the paperwork and attending a closing and capturing the money, and then, paying the bills that were here, paying the obligations, the taxes, everything here. I had to do an accounting. I had to file a report with the court and with my client as well. And so that's one thing that you should think about when you're considering appointing an executor to your will. Proximity. Even though the daughter was able to be the executor and she lived in Europe, most of the work was done by me, which is fine. I mean, I was the attorney for the estate, and I was able to do it in conjunction. When I did it, we weren't as facile with Zoom. There was no Zoom, so it was telephone calls and overnight mail. As the world is getting smaller, I can only imagine that it'll be a little easier. So make your executor someone that lives far away and challenge me. If you have such a situation, reach out to me. We'll discuss it. FrankBrunoLaw.com.